Why a storage tank needs vent and breather valves? Have you ever noticed a small valve installed on top of a storage tank that is called a vent or breather valve, and it's play a critical role in protecting the tank. What is a breather valve? A breather valve is a safety device installed on storage tanks to protect them from excessive pressure and vacuum. It allows air or vapors to move in and out of the tank when needed. Why is it important? During tank filling, the liquid level rises and vapors inside the tank are compressed. The breather valve opens to release excess pressure. During tank emptying, the liquid level drops and vacuum can develop inside the tank. The breather valve opens again to allow fresh air into the tank, preventing excessive vacuum. What happens if the breather valve fails? Tank overpressure, tank vacuum, tank deformation, product loss due to vapor release, safety hazards. Common maintenance checks: inspect for blockage, check valve movement, clean deposit regularly, verify pressure and vacuum setting. Easy way to remember: pressure out, air in, breather valve, tank protection. Conclusion: a properly maintained breather valve protects the storage tank, reduces product losses and improves plant safety. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical knowledge on chemical plant operation, maintenance, instrumentation and industrial safety.